Hello back again. So today it's the third week of my 300k aggressive journey and I want to give you an update on it. So it was not my really best week, but it's okay. So my profit was $21,774. So I get a talent bonus on this profit of $4,354, and I have the split of my first week. So in the first week I made a total of 50k, and this is the other half of this I get at the end of the month. So there is another $25,115 who will be deposited into my funding earnings. So into my live account. Next week there will be another 25,115 because this is what I made in the first 2 weeks, and it's splitted to get another funding amount of this. And I have a live account of 50k at this time, and I wanted to show you this too because I made some profits, and yeah, let's check out. So my funding amount total, if I will stop this week, would be 79,069.8 plus 25k from the first 2 weeks. So I would literally go with a 105k live account after 1 month trading. And yeah, let's see what next week come to this points towards, but I'm really happy. And so now I want to show you this. Let's see, here is it. So here are my funding talent metrics. So what was the problem this week? You all have, I made a video on this talent bonus problem when I was flagged, so I didn't get any talent bonus. So on the Monday, my balance grow to at least, this was the 15, it grew to at least 600,000. So I was at 100% profit. Really awesome. Then the next day started and I go up to 608,000, and after this it was the it was the day where it was here where I had this I really have to look at this really clearly. Yeah, here I was at 608,000 on the Thursday. No, the Tuesday. It was the Tuesday. After Monday is Tuesday. Yes, the Tuesday. So then there came the email from Daniel that I got flagged because of using a EA bot. So you have seen this in my videos that I was flagged, and I literally forgot about my open trades because I was so disappointed in this moment, and I had 3 gold trades open, and it went against me. So they were in profit, but I had to close them and I had forget about them. And after 30 minutes I realized, oh my god, there are open positions. What's happening now? And then I had to close them immediately because they ran to 9,000 in the minus, and I don't want to risk anymore. And I was so disappointed because of this message and had to check in with him and had to be careful because I wanted to get my talent bonus. So I don't trade it this day anymore, and I was then at 600,000 after closing this out. Then it was Wednesday, and I came back to 607,000, and then I don't really know what was the problem, but I think I have I was going in with too many lots. So my strategy is to start small, and with time and updated drawdown, because I made profits, I go with higher lots. And I don't know why, but my profits were 8,000 at this moment, so I had a bigger drawdown, but really not far enough. And I go in with this high lots. I didn't realize it, that I'm not at this point where I normally up at this lot size. So yeah, it ran totally wrong and against me. And I closed them out before the daily drawdown was there, because I really thought that the gold will come back. I really thought that, but at the end it came back after I closed them out. So I closed them out, and then it's go up. And they would have been all in positive, but I really had to close them out because my daily drawdown was maxed out, and I don't want to violate my account. So it was a good decision to close them out, but at the end I had seen that my strategy was right, but I was going in too far with this high lot size. So yeah, that's the problem I really had once, that I upped the lot size, and it was too far, I made it too fast. And yeah, that won't happen again to me. That's something you can learn out this. If you want to scale a account up and you always go in with a little bit higher lot when you make profits, then don't jump to a really bigger lot. I really don't know why I've done this, but it's happened and it's okay. And then I really ended at 571, and I didn't trade the next day. That was the Thursday. And then I traded on Friday, but I traded only, I think, 2K profits. That were only 5 trades I have done, because I was going to my live account on Wednesday. And yeah, I wanted to check this out to give you information about the live account. It's with Black Bull Markets. I have a 1-to-100 leverage, so they are going to up this leverage. And you see here, here is my live account. It's yeah, you see it started on the 17th of March. It's the live aggressive account. Actually, it was deposited 50K and $230. So my maximum allowed drawdown is $5,023, and the daily allowed drawdown is 5,023. So when I grow this account and I don't cash all my winnings out. So if I made 20K on this account and it stays at $70,000, and I will only let my profit split, after my profit split, I let 10,000 in this account, so that it stays at 60,000. Then I have a bigger drawdown, a bigger maximum allowed drawdown. So this account, this live account, it's not allowed to go under 45K. So whenever this account goes under 45K, or the daily drawdown from 5K are, when I violate this, then I get, then I have no option to trade this account anymore. So I have to be really, really careful with this account that I don't violate this drawdown rule. So I think it's a good idea to not put all the money out, to have a buffer to let it yeah, for me to yeah, don't maximize this drawdown out, and then I can scale up better because I have more room to breathe with these trades. So actually I'm at a, yeah, this statistic says 9.8% profits. So my MetaTrader say I'm at more because I have closed out at 55,380 or something. I didn't know why this metrics don't update this. So my actual earnings are a little bit of higher of 5K. So I really were at 10%, and all the trades I made were gold trades. And I checked them. They are all here. All my trades are in this journal, but it's here. It's not the right balance. So you see that the balance is under the equity. So the equity is more, though, but all trades are closed. There are no open trades in my live account. So this can't be the right thing. There's a error or something, but it's not a big problem. So I made the most of this 5K profit I made on the Wednesday. After I get the account, I go in and there were this huge news on the US dollar, and I was expecting a big drop to the upside or the downside, and at this moment I expected to be to the upside. So I will go in really on the lowest point of the start of this run to the upside with little lot sizes. You see there are only 0.2 lot sizes, but I made really big profits. Then when the news came out, it flew away and I closed them out. And then I go in when sometimes when this news came out, they fly to the upside and then they go back again straight to the downside. And I closed them out on the upside and buy again when it was on the downside and flew up again. So it breathed, then it flew up again, and then I bought in with 0.5 lots because I made a big profit here. So I risked to get in higher, and I made really awesome really awesome numbers here. So with 0.5 lot I made $500 here, with again 570, 790, and really big numbers. Then I close them out again and I go in again, and I let this trades open overnight. Though that's something I really normally don't do. I really normally don't let trades open overnight because I don't like it. But they were not in profit at this time because it was rejected to the downside again, but I really was sure that it will go higher, so I let them open, and that's the thing where my drawdown, my maximum daily drawdown, was the first time tracked. I think it was 1,200 because it was at midnight. It was in this drawdown, and then I had on Friday, yesterday, I had a few positions here, they were running really long, and they were first running against me, but they were so little that it's not a problem to hold them, to wait that they come back. So after making this, I think 3.5k profits from this run, for me it was okay to let this profits go into minus, because I was already in profits. And then when I realized that they come back and they go into positive again, I really closed them out by every step. So whenever some positions were in positives and I was happy, I closed them out. And sometimes I was going in again with another position. Here on the bottom you see I go in with a little bit of higher lots to take some short scalps here, and to let them, yeah, to make a little bit of bigger profits with yeah, really not so long. But the thing is, I wanted to give some statistics on my trading, because the trades I take on this demo account from Black Bull were mirrored to a live account of Funding Talent. So whenever you get your live account, it will be mirrored to the live fund. So you have a demo account, and then the trades were yeah, processed with the live funds in another account. And it was a really yeah, good thing to test if my trades will be converted to the live account correctly, because when there are any problems, I have to I would not get these profits. So when the live account can't take my trades because there are any problems and that causes errors, then I really don't get anything from this earnings. So I didn't trade too much. I traded a few situations. I traded trades where are longer. I traded trades where I closed them out really quickly and let others run. And I wanted to see if all works correctly. But Colin from the Funding Talent team said to me that it's absolute no problem with my trades, all worked fine, and it's a really good situation there, because I know I can now work with my strategy to get this thing up. So this works correctly, and that's really good. So I was not so good at the demo account for my funded earnings this week, but overall I'm really happy because I get my live account. I'm there at 10% up in my live account. That's 5k, and for me that is really much money. That's really awesome. And yeah, I wanted to show you this. I will record now another video to some ask questions about my strategy, so I think I will do this too. And if you want to see anything from me with another video or something you have to ask, then please write it in the comments, you know, subscribe and like. And yeah, I really appreciate that you are here. And I send you yeah, really nice wishes for you. Have a good trading week next week, and see you soon. Goodbye.